In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted files from OneDrive on Windows. This can be a lifesaver when you've accidentally deleted something important and want to get it back quickly and without hassle. Let's walk you through the simple process step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website at onedrive.live.com. Once there, you'll see the option to sign in on the top right corner of the page. Use your Microsoft account credentials to log in. This is essential as it grants you access to your OneDrive storage. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. You'll see several options, and the one we're focusing on today is the Recycle bin. Clicking on it will take you to a section where you'll find all the files and folders you've recently deleted from your OneDrive storage. It's a handy feature because OneDrive tends to keep these files for a limited time before permanently removing them, giving you a window of opportunity to recover any mistakenly deleted content. With the Recycle bin open, carefully browse through the list of deleted files and folders. Here, you'll want to select the items you wish to restore. It's as easy as checking the boxes next to each file or folder. So take your time to ensure you've selected everything you need. If you're looking to recover multiple files, you can select them all in one go by using the Select All option if available to save some time. Once you've made the selection, take a look at the top menu of the page. You'll find the Restore button conveniently placed there. Click on it, and just like magic, the files and folders will make their way back to their original locations within your OneDrive. It's an incredibly straightforward process, but it's also immensely satisfying to see your deleted files reappear where they belong. Remember, the restored files will return to exactly where they were before deleting. It helps maintain the organization of your OneDrive account, allowing you to pick up your work right where you left off without the chaos of misplaced files. There you have it, a quick and easy method to recover those essential files without breaking into a sweat. Next time you accidentally delete something from your OneDrive, you'll know exactly what to do. It's always good practice to regularly check your recycle bin to make sure you haven't lost anything vital that can still be recovered. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in solving your file mishaps. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your digital tools.